Hi guys, hi YouTube, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm super excited to do this video because I know it's going to be helpful for a lot of you guys out there who are feeling down maybe about their channel. You know, you're trying different things and they're not working. So I mentioned in another video that my channel got demonetized in 2017, and after 2017 a lot of things changed in my life and my channel pretty much was stagnant because I was not putting a lot of effort, and on top of that, it's just that demonetization really made me feel down, and I was just like, I guess I'm not good enough to be on YouTube, this and this and this. It was a whole thing. So I kind of took a break from really posting videos like that. And so 2 years ago, I made up my mind. I started doing way more shorts, posting a lot, and I noticed that my subscribers were coming up, but my watch time was stagnant. So I was like, okay, what can I do to definitely fix that? You know, I've heard a lot of people say, be consistent and do this and do that. And I've just been looking at different videos trying to figure that out, and nothing really was changing. So last week, I decided to try something and it worked. So the first thing that I did was I changed my channel name. For a really long time, I've been Kenya Girl because I'm from Kenya. And when I started the channel, it was in 2009. So I used to use Kenya Girl. So I changed my channel name to Fashion Love B because I love fashion. The next thing that I did was I went back into my channel and deleted all my old videos that have just been sitting there. I've been posting videos since like 10 years ago, and a lot of those videos are not even in the algorithm anymore. The videos are, you know, bad quality. A lot of them have just been sitting. So I went in, deleted all those out of my channel. The next thing that I did was I started posting videos back to back for a whole week, and there were at least 7 to 8 minutes. I'm so excited because I can't believe that my watch time is finally moving. It is so exciting. Like, I just came on here, I was like, I gotta share this. So if you wanna make it on YouTube, YouTube is now a job. A lot of people are earning income from it. You gotta bring your best, and you gotta come on here and really, really, really put in the effort, put in the work, clock in. Okay, clock in. So I posted for a whole, I think 5 days in a row. I went to my analytics and saw the videos that were doing good. And I also looked at videos that I've seen that are trending that are kind of relevant to my channel. And I started doing those videos and doing them on those topics, okay? And I'm telling you, my watch time is moving. And I just looked this morning and my face was just like, oh my gosh. Like, it's so exciting. Like, what? Like, every video I've posted back to back has been doing so much better. And I also went in and I've really been trying to put that, you know, better lighting, because I usually do my videos at daytime, you know, near a window like everybody says, but for some reason the quality has not been the best. So I really went in and also fixed that. So I'm telling you, these 3 things have really, really impacted my watch time. So if you're struggling with watch time, try to post a lot. Look at your analytics, which videos are doing well, and try to repeat that. And then also, if you have an older channel, maybe change your channel name, and then also go back in and delete some of your old videos that are just sitting there, that are not even being recommended, that are not even giving you any, that are not being picked up in the algorithm. So I hope these tips help. I know they definitely help my channel because I'm seeing the difference in when I'm posting consistently and doing all that stuff. And so I hope this is helpful, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.